We are heading over to the State House because April is Child Abuse Awareness Month and advocates are calling for action.
Yeah, Children's Trust of South Carolina is asking the General Assembly now for $500,000 to expand a program that's designed to prevent abuse and also support parents.
Our Josie Frost joining us from the State House with what you need to know tonight.
Through the Children's Trust Home Visiting Program, parents can receive voluntary visits from advocates who perform wellness checks and help support parents. Advocates say that it's key to help identifying and preventing early signs of abuse.
We know that when a parent is given the resources at the start, that they're much more likely to have the confidence and the resilience to be a good parent as that child grows.
Sue Williams is from the Children's Trust of South Carolina. The program right now only serves 10% of eligible families, providing home visits and support for new parents. The state gets a 3-to-1 federal match for the program, which they're looking to expand. Representative Paula Rawl Calhoun says the state sees a return on investment for the program.
Over 4,800 South Carolina families were served in South Carolina in 2022. Over 98% of these households reported using safe sleep methods. 84% attended all the children wellness visits. 91% of the mothers were screened for depression. And 97 had annual developmental screenings.
Another pilot program is also asking for support from the General Assembly. The Department of Children's Advocacy is launching their own program to help appoint a lawyer directly to victims of child abuse. Amanda Whittle is the state's child advocate.
We would appreciate an opportunity to be able to do in South Carolina what other states have done to reduce the time of children in foster care, to reduce placement instability for children, and to try to ensure that children, particularly with complex needs, get the services that they need.
That budget request is not final yet. The House's budget still has to go through the Senate and be signed by the governor before it goes into effect in July. Reporting at State House, Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.
All right, Josie, thanks so much. And according to health experts, there are red flags for kids dealing with forms of abuse, and that can include things like changes in behavior, changes in attitude, changes in school performance, or frequent absences.
Yeah, so we're getting some more details about this. Also, self-harm and withdrawing from friends and their usual activities. They're just not being themselves. If you want to report suspected child abuse or neglect, contact the South Carolina Department of Social Services. They have a 24-hour toll-free hotline. That number is 1-888-227-3487.
All right, guys, coming up